Happy evening, my friend. I am so happy that you are here. Welcome to this beautiful space where we get to expand as creators, where we get to create the time and space for us to receive new inspiration and to step forward in our greatest, most brilliant gifts. And tonight's practice is all about learning how to find a foundation within the chaos. Because to be a creator is chaotic. Creation is chaos. How do we stay grounded in the chaos? How do we have a center amidst the chaos of creation? And that is our practice tonight. So stay with me. We're going to drop in like we always do, imagining this brilliant divine light right above the crown of your head, breathing it in, breathing it all the way down, cleaning and cleansing and clearing your system of anybody else's energy that is not serving you. You're going to breathe the light in again, and you're going to move it through the body, clearing out the noise, grounding you in your inner being. Final breath in, breathing it all the way down, activating your gifts of seeing visions, of hearing God, of hearing truth, of knowing your knowingness. We're going to call in all of our angels and our guides in and through the divine light to hold space with us tonight, that we hear and see exactly what needs to come through, that it will open up creation, miracles, and grounded peace, being grounded in the peace that is within you. And then we are going to prepare our bodies to channel. We are going to ask that light will touch our ears so we can hear God, hear our angels, hear the divine. Light will touch our third eye, so we'll have access to all of our spiritual gifts. The light will cleanse our lips, that we speak only what needs to be spoken. We're going to breathe in and breathe out. There we go. So in this beautiful space, right here, right now, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to let yourself feel the chaos. And when I say chaos, the chaos of ideas. To be a creator means that we have ideas that flow through us and around us all the time. I want you to bring them together, lay them out. We're going to feel the chaos of ideas. Take a nice breath in and just sit with them. And some might be wild and some might be easy, but there's going to be this mess inside. Now, here's the thing about being a creator, is that when you have all these creations inside of you, but you aren't bringing them through, it creates overwhelm in the body. And this is why we say chaos is overwhelming. But the truth is that the chaos isn't the overwhelming piece. The overwhelming piece is that you're not birthing the creation. So I want you to just place your hands on your heart. Get right into the space of your heart. And I want you to feel into that you know exactly what needs to be done. You do. You know. Your divine self knows exactly what needs to be done. And I want you to look and see at what are the excuses, the reasonings, why these creations haven't been brought to life or completed. Maybe you've brought them halfway, but they're not completed. So I'm going to be quiet and I want you to listen. What are all the things that are in the way? I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. I'm not organized. I don't know the next step. They're going to sound something like that. Be quiet and listen. In this space, I now want you to push those, we're just going to brush them a little bit over here. And we're going to go deep in our hearts. And I want you to ask, what do I know needs to happen? What do I know needs to happen? And you might hear it, and you might notice your brain try and talk you out of it. You'll hear it and your brain will be like, no, that's not right. And it'll come up, no, that's not right. Just see that, witness it, but go back into what you know needs to happen. So you're just going to breathe that in. And you're going to breathe out. And breathing in. And out. So right here, right now. This is how you find the peace within the chaos. The chaos of creation is you go in and you ask to know what you know needs to happen. Whatever comes to you, then take action. When you follow it, it will create space, which eliminates overwhelm. It's the avoidance of the thing that we know we need to do that brings the overwhelm into our lives and into our bodies. So right here, right now, commit to doing what you know needs to be done. Commit to not avoiding. Commit to taking action. And watch that you can stand in the midst of the chaos of creation and be completely grounded and fully at peace when you are not avoiding and when you are taking action on what you know needs to be done. Take a nice breath in and breathe out. I want you to take this beautiful golden nectar from the crown of your head, and it's going to move all the way down your body. It's going to ground you into this nourishment, to this deep, rich love. It's going to give you the energy to be able to move forward on the things that you've been avoiding. And it will also keep you grounded in the midst of the chaos of creation. All right, my friend, move forward. Take action on what you know needs to be done. And you will sleep so deeply. You will be able to receive more. And I will see you in the morning.